My name is Rahul Ramesh Thave. In this lecture, we are going to see the problems on three noded triangular element. So let's see the problem. The nodal coordinates of the triangular element are as shown in figure. At the interior point P, the x coordinate is 4.5 and n1 is equal to 0.3. Determine n2 and n3 and y coordinate of point P. Let's see the diagram. This diagram is given where the location of every point it is given, and they have given one point P inside a triangle. Now let's start with the solution. I will connect the point P with every point of the triangle. So as a result of this triangle 1, 2, 3 will be get split into three triangles. Now I will write down the formula for shape function n1 is equal to area of triangle which is in front of node 1, that is P23, divided by area of triangle 1, 2, 3. Now I will write down n2 as area of a triangle which is in front of node 2, that is P31, divided by area of triangle 1, 2, 3. Now I will write down the formula for n3 as is equal to area of a triangle which is in front of node 3, that is P12, divided by area of triangle 1, 2, 3. Now I will first calculate the area of triangle 1, 2, 3. So area of triangle 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 x1 y1, 1 x2 y2, 1 x3 y3. So is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 2 3 1 7 4 1 4 6. So is equal to 1 by 2 into 13. So is equal to 6.5. Now I will calculate area of triangle P23. So is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 px py, 1 x2 y2, 1 x3 y3. So is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 4.5 y, 1 7 4 1 4 6. So I will calculate its mod or basically determinant. So is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 1 into first row, first column will be get cancelled. So what is remaining is 7 into 6, that is 42, minus 4 into 4, that is 16, minus 4.5 into first row, second column will be get cancelled. The remaining is 1 into 6, that is 6, minus 1 into 4, that is 4, plus y into first row, third column will be get cancelled. What is remaining is 4 into 1 is 4, minus 7 into 1 is 7. Bracket complete. So I will get 1 by 2. This term 42 minus 16 is 26, minus 4.5 multiplied by 2, it is 9, minus 3y. So is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 17 minus 3y. So is equal to 8.5 minus 1.5 y. Now I will put this value in the formula of n1. So n1 is equal to area of triangle P23 divided by area of triangle 1, 2, 3. So n1 is equal to 8.5 minus 1.5 y divided by 6.5. So is equal to 1.95 is equal to 8.5 minus 1.5. So I will get 1.5 y is equal to 6.55. So I will get value of y as 4.37. Now I will calculate area of triangle P31. So is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 px py, 1 x3 y3, 1 x1 y1. So is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 4.5 3.7, 1 4 6 1 2 3. So I will get is equal to 1 by 2 into 4.76. So is equal to 2.38. Now I will calculate n2 as n2 is equal to area of triangle P31 divided by area of triangle 1, 2, 3. So is equal to 2.38 divided by 6.5. So is equal to 0.3662. Now in order to calculate the value of n3, I can use this relation n1 plus n2 plus n3 will be equal to 1. So if I put this, I will get the value of n3 is equal to 0.3338. Or initially I will calculate area of triangle P12 is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 px py, 1 x1 y1, 1 x2 y2. So is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 4.5 4.37 1 2 3 1 7 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 4.35, so is equal to 2.175. So n3 I will write down as area of triangle P12 divided by area of triangle 1 2 3, so is equal to 2.175 divided by 6.5, so is equal to 0.3346. Thank you for watching the video.